Only 44 days left for the new year, and this video will find you when you're ready to finally change yourself. So this is not a motivational video. If you think this is a motivational video, just switch off the video and go away. This video is going to be a reminder to you all that time flies when you're an adult, and in the 44 days, you can change your life so that the coming year, 2026, is going to be your year. Hello everybody, I'm Subiksha. Welcome back to Mind Matters with Subiksha. So I was actually thinking about last year, New Year time, and time has run. More than run, time has actually flew by. Time is really becoming very shorter. I don't know if it is because of Instagram, YouTube, or social media usage, but in the 44 days, I want you to make these small changes so that you will find out the essence of the true beauty of life. Okay, so the number one thing is gratitude. Be grateful for things that you have, and be grateful for the things that you're going to get, and be grateful for the things that you did not get because it was a part of God's plan. See, gratitude is not something that you see a poor person and say, "Oh God, thank you that I have money, I am middle class, I am rich." No, that is not gratitude. Gratitude is actually valuing yourself and being present in the moment of yourself and valuing yourself as a person. So that gratitude will reach you to great heights. And the second thing is move. You need to walk, and I don't know, there are so many fitness bands and smart watches available. I think right from 800, 900 to 1000 rupees. If you're a student, please invest in them. Use it, walk whenever it is possible. Walk and walk to different places, walk inside your home, outside your home, whatever it is. Do some kind of movement. And personally, walking is very good for your mental health. It is going to take care of your mental health. And the third one is become emotionally independent. When I use the word emotional independence, it is something that whatever happens, you have this anchor in your mind, you have this faith, and you have this trust in yourself, and whatever happens, it is for the good and you are in the right path. So that kind of emotional independence I want you all to have. The fourth one is faith in the God, faith in universe, faith in some higher energy. Keep doing your work, because faith is not a subroute to not doing anything and putting the blame on God. Faith is going through something with a lot of belief system inside you with your values, but still putting your hard work. And the last one, the fifth one, is learn to forgive some people in your life. Definitely, from the past that you're carrying, there might be people who did bad to you, who did wrong to you, who did not treat you well. But in these 44 days, I want you to forgive them. Forgive them, because not for them, but for you. You're forgiving them not for them, but for you, because you're carrying this something deep inside you that every day it is haunting you. Forgive them. Whatever they did to you, God will take care of them. Why are you so worried about that? Why are you carrying around the vengeance? I'm telling this again. 44 days will run by, 2026 will come, 2026 mid will come, then 2026 will also end. But if you don't choose to change yourself, then how many ever years come, how many ever gods you pray, nothing is going to change. Small changes are what we are talking about here. I'm not asking you to wake up at 4. I'm not asking you to hit the gym every day. I'm not asking you to walk 20,000 steps a day. These are all big goals. Big goals are for those who have already started from somewhere. This time we are starting from zero. I am also starting from zero. I was planning in my diary for the 44 days what to do, and that's when I realized that my subscribers also need to listen to this. And then immediately I'm shooting this video. So in these 44 days, I want you to completely surrender yourself. because even now I was feeling very, very irritated. My back was aching, but I went down, I put the walking thing in the watch, and I walked for 30 minutes. The 30 minutes was horrible. It felt very difficult, but I walked, and after I walked, I felt very good. So it is one of the things that you do. When you finish doing it, you'll feel very happy. So I want you to follow these 5 things in these 44 days and comment down below how you felt after these 44 days of following the 5 things, and I will see you all in another video. Until then, take care and bye bye.